mereview lagi teman-teman tentang present tense yang pernah kita pelajari sebelumnya nih. So I'm gonna try to check about that you still remember or not, yeah, about our grammatical structures that we ever learned before. Dan di sini ada beberapa kata kerja that we could find it. That we could find it about build, talk, speak, listen, and also explain ya. Jadi kita bisa menemukan beberapa kosakata. Dan I'm gonna ask you to make a sentence from this word, and that you're gonna make about the verbal sentence. Dan teman-teman bisa menggunakan kalimat verbal ya, ketika menggunakan sebuah kata kerja nih. Dan sangat gampang sekali ya teman-teman ya, when you try to make about this, that you could make like a positive, negative, and also interrogative one. Oke, Bro Rustan. Just never mind. Jadi teman-teman bisa menggunakan beberapa kata kerja ini untuk kalimat positif, negatif, atau interrogatif ya. For example, if you want to say it about build ya. Jadi kalau kita pakai present tense untuk yang verbal, semisal positifnya it looks like I built a house ya. Jadi aku membangun sebuah rumah nih for that nih. Or maybe that you try to say it looks like nah, I talk to you ya. Nah, for this one that you could say it's about that atau mungkin ada yang mau pakai speak ya. I speak English or I speak Italian for this one ya. Wait, kita ganti aja yang talk sama speak-nya. What is this? Agar tidak double nih. Because it's almost same about the meaning. Very good. I tried to say it. It looks like arrive. Kita ganti menjadi tiba. Nah, that you could say it about this, teman-teman. Ada build, ada arrive, ada speak, ada listen, and also there's an explain ya. For example, that you say about I built a house. Terus kalau untuk yang negatifnya I don't build a house. Terus kalau if you want to make a interrogative, berarti do I build a house? Dan jangan lupa ketika ada subjek she, he, it ya, kita bisa pakai verb S teman-teman. Jadi kalau she, he, it. Kata kerja harus kita tambahkan S ya. Jadi harus ada verb S-nya. Atau ketika satu nama orang, for example that you say about Upin, or maybe that you could say about Dennis ya. For example that you say Dennis listens to the song ya. That you could say it's about verb S pada kata kerjanya. Dan untuk yang mau menggunakan negatif ya, kalau ada kalimatnya tidak ya, for example, Dennis doesn't listen to the music ya. Jadi Dennis tidak mendengarkan musik nih. Ada juga kita bisa pakai does. Kalau untuk kalimat tanya ya, does Dennis listen to the music? Tapi kalau subjeknya I, you, they, we, kata kerja ini nggak perlu ditambahkan s ya teman-teman ya. Jadi for example, that you says about you arrive in Jakarta every day for this one ya. Nah, this arrive-nya nggak perlu pakai s nih. Cukup pakai kata kerja bentuk pertama ini. It's also about verb one. Terus untuk Ayu Dewi juga bisa pakai don't untuk kalimat negatifnya. For example, that she says about you don't arrive in Bali. Or do you arrive in Bali? Dan jangan lupa presentasi kita gunakan untuk masa sekarang ya teman-teman ya. Jadi bukan untuk masa lampau kayak kemarin atau untuk besok juga bukan bagian dari present tense. Jadi biasanya digunakan ketika ada every, or maybe ada yang mau pakai usually, atau mungkin ada yang mau pakai always ya. For example, dikarenakan teman-teman lagi mengambil kelas bahasa Inggris, that's why I speak English every day ya. Especially at 10. Jadi aku berbicara bahasa Inggris setiap hari ini for that. She could say about this. Mungkin ada yang mau mencoba teman-teman kita mereview present tense yang pernah kita pelajari dikarenakan besok kita akan mempelajari tenses baru ya. That's why I want to make sure that you know really well about this one and that you still remember about this ya. Jadi masih ingat penggunaan untuk verbal. Jadi jangan lupa ketika subjeknya she, he, it harus ditambahkan s untuk kata kerja ini. Okay, if you dare, if you want to be the first, that you could raise your hand. Okay, so this we have about sis Eka nih. Come on sis Eka mau pilih yang mana?
Arrive.
Okay.
The flight arrives on time.
Mm-mm. The flight arrives on time. Oke, jadi flightnya cuma satu. Jadi kita ditambahkan S ya untuk arrives-nya sis Eka. Jadi kalau penerbangan aja arrive-nya ditambahkan S nih. Jadi the flight arrives on time. Tapi kalau penerbangan-penerbangan baru kita menggunakan yang verb one nih. Oke. And also that we have about sis Sophia. Mau pilih yang mana?
Listen.
Listen.
She listens to the music.
She listens to the music. Oke, that's correct ya. Dikarenakan ada she, listennya ada verb S ya. Oke, jadi semua ini nggak perlu menggunakan is MR ya teman-teman ya. Dikarenakan ini adalah sebuah tindakan. Jadi kita tidak perlu menggunakan yang to be is MR. Sis Nurma, mau pilih yang mana?
Speak.
Speak juga, oke.
Do you speak English?
Mm-mm. Do you speak English? That's correct for this one ya, basically. Oke, dan menggunakan yang interrogatif ya, Sis Nurma ya. Oke, and how about you, Sis Pamela?
Listen and speak.
Oke, pilih dua silakan.
Okay. I listen my English coach. He speaks English very well.
He speaks ya. Jadi kalau ada he, speaknya, they should try to put to both s. That's correct about this one, sis Pamela. And how about you, sis Lala? Mau pilih yang mana nih?
I
Which one?
choose explain.
Okay, explain. Come on.
He explains the rule.
Mm-mm. He explains the rule. That's correct. They should try to put to both verb s, sis Lala. Okay. Anyone else? Who dare to try, yeah? Okay. There's nothing? Wow. Yes, we have. Sis Sophia again that she wants to try it. Come on.
Yeah. Let me try with the negative one.
Okay, come on.
She doesn't listen to the music.
Mm-mm. She doesn't listen to the music. That's correct about that, Sis Sophia. And how about you, Sis Kafa?
I built a good behavior.
Mm. I built. Membangun kan, Sis Kafa ya?
Iya,
Nah, cara bacanya, U-nya nggak usah dibaca, Sis Kafa langsung aja pakai I-nya ya. Build. Coba sekali lagi.
I built a good behavior.
Okay, that's correct about this one, Sis Kafa ya. Okay. Terus next nih. Try to raise your hand. Wow. Sis Norma, if you want to try again, come on.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forget to turunin tangan.
Okay, this lower
Yeah,
hand.
okay, I will try. Is it correct? Can you listen to me?
Benar. Jadi kalau mau pakai can, benar banget juga bisa digunakan ya. Bisakah kamu mendengarkan? Ya. Oke, that's correct about this one. Jadi benar ya, Sis Norma. Jadi kalau ada can nggak perlu pakai do lagi. Langsung aja kalau can ya. Oke, tepat sekali. Bro Fahmi,
Yeah, I want
mau
to
pilih
say
yang mana Bro
explain.
Fahmi? Hmm?
Um, she explains to me
Mm-mm.
about take care beta fish.
Mm-mm. She explains, correct ya. Jadi ada S pada explain-nya atau pada kata kerjanya. Tepat sekali Bro Fahmi. Sis Lala. How about you, Sis Lala?
I choose explain,
Mm-mm.
but negative.
Negatif, oke.
He doesn't explain the rule.
Mm-mm. He doesn't explain the rule. Okay, that's correct about this one. This is Lala ya. Okay, who's next ya? Whether should try it about these. Everybody wants to raise your hand? Yeah, I'm gonna try to choose ya. Or maybe this is Aziza that she wants to try it.
Listen,
Mm-mm.
listen. Please listen to me when I am talking.
That's correct about this one, yeah. It's Aziza. Right. And how about Sis Luigi?
Okay. He doesn't explains me.
She or he doesn't explains to me. Oke.
Ya.
Jadi kalau ke aku ditambahkan tuh ya, Sis Luigi. Tapi kalau menjelaskan ke itu kan dia laki-laki tidak menjelaskan ke aku kan. Jadi lebih enaknya kalau ditambahkan to. He doesn't explains to me. Oke. And how about Sis Maria or Sis Mimi?
we don't talk anymore.
Oke, lagu ya.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't talk anymore for that. Nice, Sis Mimi. Sis Maria?
I don't listen a good news today.
I don't listen a good music today. That's correctly. And how about Sis Septi or Bro Satria?
She doesn't arrive in the airport at 7 p.m.
Okay, that's correct about that, Sis Septi. Ya, ditambahkan jam juga ya. Okay, and then you try to put about a negative one. Or it's cancel Sis Naidar or Bro Rustan. One of you that you wants to try it, yeah, to make this a verbal one. Okay. Udah? Nobody wants to try it anymore. Okay. That's why the support of the verbal one ya. Jadi teman-teman jangan bingung. Jadi verbal kita gunakan ketika kita menggunakan sebuah kata kerja ya, atau ada sebuah tindakan kayak arrive itu tindakan, explain itu sebuah tindakan, dan listen, speak, or maybe build itu juga sebuah tindakan ya. Jadi jangan lupa tidak perlu menggunakan to be ya kalau kita mau pakai verbal ini. Jadi langsung aja I arrive, she speaks, I listen like this one. That's really enough. But if you want to make it looks like a to be or that you add about a to be, that you could put above this vocabulary and that's a really relate with profession. That's why if you want to put about the profession here, that you could say it's about the athlete, ambassador, architect, actor, actress, banker, software, and also that you could say it's about the pilots or the lecturer. If you want to say it, it's kind of like this sentence ya. She is a dancer. Jadi dia perempuan, seorang penari. Nah, dikarenakan tidak ada kata kerja di sini, teman-teman ya. Jadi kita bisa pakai kalimat tersebut. Nah, ini dia contohnya. She is a dancer. Jadi dia perempuan, seorang penari. Nah, itu kan gak ada kata kerjanya, teman-teman. Jadi kita langsung ya. Dia perempuan, seorang penari. Or maybe if you want to make a sentence from Are you an athlete ya? Jadi apakah kamu seorang atlet? Jangan lupa kita pernah mempelajari tentang artikel en dan juga ya. Jadi kalau ada pengucapan huruf vokal pada sebuah kosakata yang kita temukan, kita bisa pakai yang en nih. Are you an actor contohnya ya? Are you an actor? Jadi apakah kamu seorang aktor? Kita bisa pakai yang en. Dikarenakan ada pengucapan huruf vokal pada actor. That's why you could say it's about are you an actor? That's really enough. Nih. Tapi kalau teman-teman mau pakai yang negatif tinggal ditambahkan not aja ya. For example, she is not a doctor. Kalau mau disingkat menggunakan isn't juga boleh teman-teman. That you could say it's about that. Or maybe if you want to combine between verbal and nominal juga bisa ya. Coba teman-teman nanti kalau ada yang mau mencoba mengkombinasikan antara verbal dan juga nominal juga bisa ya. For example like this ya. He plays football. Nah ini untuk yang verbalnya. He plays football really well ya. Because he is an athlete ya. That you could say it about. Or maybe that you could say is about you are a dancer, that's why you can dance really well. Nih, that you could say it's about that. Or maybe that she says about she is an entrepreneur and she has a lot of business. Jadi dia perempuan seorang pengusaha dan dia memiliki banyak business for this one. He is an editor, contohnya. Dia laki seorang editor. So, he works every day. By this one. Dia laki-laki seorang editor dan dia bekerja setiap hari. Ini bisa juga kita gunakan ya, teman-teman ya. Kalau ada yang mau pakai verbal dan juga nominal mau dikombin dengan beberapa box of vocabulary ini juga boleh nih. Or maybe that you say it's about I am an artist and I paint for the several client ya. Jadi aku seorang artis. I am an artist, aku seorang seniman dan aku melukis untuk beberapa klien. That you could make it for this nih. Tidak ada yang mau mencoba ya. You dare to try to make a nominal. Ada yang mau pakai nominal juga boleh. Ada yang mau pakai verbal dan nominal mau di-combine juga boleh dari beberapa box of vocabulary ini atau dari beberapa kosakata ini ya teman-teman ya. Jadi jangan lupa I pasangannya M, Yudewi pasangannya R. Tapi kalau she, he, it pasangannya adalah is ya teman-teman. Oke, sis Eka berani mencoba.
Okay, thank you. He can explain the subject clearly because he is a lecturer.
That's correct ya. Di-combine ya sis Eka. Tepat sekali. Jadi kalau ada can nggak perlu pakai verb S juga di for this one. Jadi langsung aja pakai verb one untuk semua subjek ya. Oke, that's correct. And who's next? Who dares to try? Siapa lagi kira-kira yang berani mencoba? Oke, next we have Bro Fahmi nih. Wait, bentar. Yo, come on Bro Fahmi. It's your turn.
One try to say, oh, he doesn't go to school because he is a doctor.
Oke, bener ya. Soalnya perginya ke rumah sakit ya. Tepat sekali, Bro Fahmi. That's nice sentence ya. That you try to combine it. Ya, Sis Kava, silakan Sis Kava.
She is a musician because her voice is well.
Oke, that's correct for this one, Sis Kava. Mau ditambahkan dengan possessive adjective juga boleh ya. It looks like her voice, or maybe that you say about her talent ya. Atau his talent, boleh sekali ini. Wah, ada si Septi. Berani mencoba. Come on, si Septi.
She likes cooking because she is a chef.
Oke. She likes cooking because she is a chef ya. Tepat sekali si Septi ya. Oke. And who next? You dare to try that you could raise your hand. And also that you could make a sentence from this box of vocabulary ya. Jadi teman-teman bisa menggunakan beberapa kosakata ini. And that you know it about the differences between verbal and nominal too ya. Oke, this we have about Sis Lala. Yuk, silahkan Sis Lala ya.
She is an entrepreneur, so she always busy every time.
Jadi kalau busy mau ditambahkan is lagi juga boleh ya. She always nih, correct for this one ya, Sis Lala ya. She is always ya, atau she's always busy every time. Benar Sis Lala ya. Even
Thank you.
semuanya mau pakai nominal semua juga boleh ya. Nah, asalkan penyusunannya ada to be-nya. That's correct ya. You're welcome Sis Lala. And jadi nggak harus kalau teman-teman combine antara verbal dan nominal ya. Tergantung pada kalimat yang teman-teman susun ya. Kayak tadi kalimatnya Sis Lala ya. For this one itu kan nominal semua. Jadi nggak apa-apa juga teman-teman. Yang penting penyusunannya tepat ya. Sis Sofia, silakan Sis Sofia.
Okay. Her dress is very pretty because she is a designer.
That's correct ya. Ini juga semua nominal ya. That's correct for this one, Sis Sofia. Dan mau ditambahkan dengan kepemilikan ya, her dress atau gaunnya. Tepat sekali ya. Oke, berarti Sis Sofia tidak bingung nih. Soalnya her itu juga bisa sebagai objek dan juga bisa sebagai possessive adjective. Dan salah satu ciri khasnya kalau possessive adjective untuk kepemilikan ada benda ya di belakangnya. Oke, wow, this we have about Sis Naila. Finally that you attend our class. Sis Naila saya kira tidak masuk ya di hari ini. But that you attend. Silahkan. Sis Naila,
thank
apa
you.
kalimatnya? You're welcome.
He is an teacher, so he explains lesson to student every day.
Mm-mm. Jadi kalau untuk teacher, Sis Naila, dikarenakan teacher kan tidak ada pengucapan huruf vokal. Jadi itu pakainya yang en. Sorry, pakainya yang e. Jadi pakainya yang e.
Oh,
Jadi nggak perlu pakai en. Jadi Sis Naila bisa pakai en ketika pengucapan, bukan tulisannya ya Sis Naila ya, tapi pengucapannya ada huruf vokalnya. Seperti kayak editor. Nah, editor itu pakai yang
okay.
en. Soalnya ada pengucapan huruf vokal editor kan, salah satu huruf vokalnya. Terus untuk actor juga bisa nih. Tapi kalau save itu tidak ada pengucapan huruf vokal kan. Jadi pakainya yang e. Seperti itu ya Sis Naila. Agar tidak bingung antara e dan
Okay.
en ya. Oke, that's really cool. Thank you for trying Sis Naila ya.
Okay.
Oke, siapa lagi yang mau mencoba nih teman-teman? Who dare to try it nih for this? Okay, nobody wants to try for this? Okay, let's get started about. Silahkan, Sis Pamela. Which one that you wish to try?
Maybe I looking at police office, so he is a police.
Mhm. That's correct for this one, Sis Pamela. And how about Sis Mimi?
His house is luxury because he by the architect an
Mhm.
architect.
Mhm.
Ya.
Nah, itu that's about membeli sebuah
Eh,
ini,
menyewa,
arsitek, menyewa rent,
memakai.
sorry, bukan rent. Rent biasanya untuk benda hire,
Oh,
because
hire.
he hires. Nah, for this one, he hires
An architect.
an architect. All right, that's correct for this one ya. And how
Okay.
about Sis Maria or Sis Nurma?
He
My
is sorry. Okay, Miss Maria.
Apa Sis Maria? Silakan.
my old brother is a chef and he cooks fried rice to me.
That's correct for this one, Sis Maria. Sis Nurma, it's your turn.
The same with chef.
Oh, chef nggak apa-apa, yang penting.
He
Never
is
mind for
a
that.
chef. He is a chef. He cooks very well.
Okay, that's a really cool, Sis Nurma. Sis Sophia?
Yes, Salama. He is a content creator, but unfortunately, he often makes fake content.
Okay, bisa. That's correct for this one, Sis Sophia ya. And how about Sis Lala?
She is not lawyer, but she is a journalist.
That's correct for this one, Sis Lala ya. Or maybe Sis Luigi.
He 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 is a journalist, so he work on TV every day.
Worknya ditambahkan S dikarenakan pakai he ya, Sis Luigi ya. He works. Nih.
Oh ya.
That's a really cool, Sis Luigi. That you dare to try it ya for this. Nah, okay, so let's get started about that's our breakout room ya. Kita mulai breakout room kita teman-teman. Jadi untuk breakout room kita hari ini, that's really easy because we try to talk about some things that you never try before ya. Apa sih kira-kira suatu hobi yang belum pernah teman-teman coba sebelumnya ya. Jadi pertanyaannya adalah pick the hobby that you have never done but you want to try it. Belum pernah dicoba tapi pengen teman-teman coba ya. Why do you want to do it and what do you not like about it? Apa yang kamu tidak suka dari hobi tersebut yang pengen dicoba tuh? And if you can do it, where do you want to do it? Jadi kalau jika kamu ingin mencobanya, teman-teman ingin mencoba di mana ya? That you could say it's about that. For me, pick the hobby that you have never done. I want to try skydiving. Why do you want to do it? I want to do it because I want to feel about the vibes of skydiving when I try to jump into the land, yeah. And what do you not like about it? Nah, exactly, I should prepare it about the several things, yeah. and the several documents too if I want to do it for this one, because for the answer, the last number, where do you want to do it? Yeah, because this I want to do it in abroad. Yeah, especially is New Zealand. This I want to try skydiving there because it's a really nice place ya to do for that. Oke, so kita pilih untuk interviewernya. Jadi nanti interviewernya bertugas untuk menanyakan pertanyaan tersebut ya teman-teman ya. Oke, so untuk interviewernya that we have interviewer kelompok 1 itu nanti ada Bro Fahmi, interviewer kelompok 1 ya. Jadi bertugas bertanya Bro Fahmi. Dan interviewer kelompok 2 ada Sis Pamela. Jadi Bro Fahmi dan Sis Pamela bertugas untuk bertanya tentang pertanyaan yang sudah Bro kirim di grup ya. Breakout room topic on Monday. Oke, kita mulai teman-teman. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Okay, so we're back again on our main room, teman-teman. Kita sudah kembali ke main room kita. Okay, so let's get started about our challenge ya. Kita mulai challenge kita, teman-teman. This calls about 1 minute challenge. Kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba? We dare to try ya. To answer about this question that you have tried to practice it on your breakout room, and that we have about several interviewer. First group that we have about Bro Fahmi, kelompok 2 ada Sis Pamela, ya. Untuk interviewernya, kira-kira siapa yang berani mencoba nih? And I'm gonna give you about that feedback ya. And that's a really easy question ya, that you have tried to practice it before. Pick the hobby that you have never done ya, but you want to try it. Tapi teman-teman pengen banget mencobanya. If you try for this, if you could raise your hand. Wow, that's we have about as our interviewer, Bro Vahmi. Okay, come on, Bro Vahmi. Pick the hobby that you never done, but that you want to try it, Bro Vahmi. I want to hear about that's your answer. Yeah.
I wanna try weight training
Why?
because I want to build muscle and relieve my problem in lower back pain.
Okay. Why do you, what do you not like about it? Apa yang tidak disukai dari weight training?
First, budget, supplement or something to eat high protein food. Second, and bodies after training, it's annoying.
Okay. And if you can do it, where do you want to do it?
I want to try it at the gym.
Okay, at the gym ya. Okay, that's really cool, Bro Fahmi. When you try to answer about that ya, jadi tepat semua untuk penyusunannya. Dan untuk cara jawabnya oke banget ya. Dikasih alasan juga ya. That you want to do for this one. That's really great for that ya. Okay, and also for the pronunciation that's really clear ya. Jadi untuk pengucapannya jelas sekali, Bro Fahmi, dan gak ada yang miss ya. Okay, thank you for trying, Bro Fahmi. Perfect for this. And how about you, Sis Naila?
Okay,
The hobby that you want to try it ya.
I want to try hiking
And why?
because I like to see the amazing beauty of nature, enjoy the fresh air, and gain valuable experience.
And why? Sorry, why udah tadi. What do you not like about it? Apa yang tidak disukai, Sis Naila, dari hal itu?
I like might not be there yet, but I'm ready to prepare myself and learn more about hiking.
If you can do it, where do you want to do it?
Maybe a good place for beginners, but the hiking spot I want to visit the most is Rakum.
Okay, this is
Running.
So that's really cool, Sis Naila ya. When you try to answer about this one, nah, that you have prepared and that you have learned about this one ya. Oke, sudah mempelajari juga ya, Sis Naila ya. Oke, berarti learn aja agak sedikit ragu-ragu untuk pengucapannya Sis Naila ya. Langsung aja learn for that ya. Jadi tepat semua untuk penyusunannya, nggak ada yang miss ya Sis Naila. Dan Sis Naila menggunakan present tense nih dan tepat nih. Dan untuk pengucapannya juga itu aja yang agak sedikit miss ya. Atau bukan miss sih, bukan salah, tapi agak sedikit ragu-ragu aja Sis Naila. Ya. Oke, that's nice. Itu feedback dari
Thank
Bro Yudi,
you.
Sis Naila. You're welcome. Sis Sophia, how about you?
Okay. Okay,
Big
I'm
hobby
ready.
that you never try?
This hobby I never done it, but I want to try is a horseback riding.
Why?
I want to try this hobby because it is look cool and fun. It's also the sunnah of Rasulullah too. Something I might not like it about this is I'm not careful when doing horseback riding, so I can get injured. So I can do it when I want to do it. It arrange.
Okay, it's part of the place ya. that you want to do for this. Okay, this is really cool, Sis Sophia. Sangat tenang sekali. This is really cool when you try to explain about your answer ya.
Bro Yudis, may I submit the topic from last Saturday because I wasn't present that day? May I?
Yes, go on.
Okay, good. Yeah, the one, do you like watching movie? Yes, I like watching movies. I like movies because I like to predict the plot. The last movie I watched was John Wick 3. I prefer to watch movies because I don't like to waste my time on series. Is that correct?
Yes, correct for this one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, it's a really cool for this one ya. This Sophia, did you try to tell us about two kinds of topic ya, between the today's topic and also there's a previous topic ya, especially on last Saturday. Okay, that's correct for this one ya, si Sophia ya, for this.
Okay, thank
Cuma
you so much.
yang ini si Sophia, yang apa tuh, yang movie that you give about the reasons nih for this one. Atau mungkin ditambahkan, ini jangan tambahkan genrenya nih. John Wick.
Oh,
Nah, itu
okay.
lebih enak tuh nanti.
Genre
Soalnya
is
kalau ini,
okay.
oke,
Action like that,
disebut
right?
the action kan. Nah, itu biar lebih
Okay.
jelas. Soalnya kalau title-nya aja untuk teman-teman yang nanti nggak tahu, nanti apa nih John
Alright.
Wick ya.
Okay.
Nanti kalau ada
Yeah,
genre kan teman-teman bisa membayangkan, oh disebut action. That's why I want
yeah,
to try it about that day.
okay.
Oke, itu aja ditambahkan genrenya ya, si Sofia ya.
Okay, that's
Oke.
good. Alright, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Berarti detailingnya. Jadi untuk penyusunan kalimatnya nggak ada yang miss, cukup detailingnya aja atau the support of the content ya. Oke. It's nice.
Okay, siap.
And how about you, Sis Eka? Silakan, Sis Eka.
Okay, thank you. I want to learn sewing.
Mm-mm.
That I'm interested with sewing because I like beautiful dress. So I think it's pleasant if I can make a dress by myself. That's right.
Yes, correct for this one ya. Nah, sewing, bener ya? Jadi cara pengucapannya
Yes,
sewing, that's correct for this one, Sis
sewing.
Eka. Tapi nanti Sis Eka nggak usah bingung ya. Ketika ada yang bilang sewing, itu juga sama aja. Jadi kalau untuk UK
Okay.
itu dibaca sew, tapi kalau untuk US, that you can say sebut sewing for this one ya.
Sewing.
Oke. Yang penting ada au-nya tuh for this one. Ada au, ada juga yang au nih untuk pengucapannya ya. Jadi
Okay.
nggak ada yang miss by the way, Sis Eka, when you try to arrange the sentence ya. And also that you put about the good grammatical. Untuk pengucapannya, the sewingnya agak sedikit ragu-ragu, tapi tepat pengucapannya, tepat kok ya. Terus untuk confidence-nya oke sekali, Sis Eka, tingkatkan terus ya, agar bisa mengatasi insecurity when you try to speak in English nih. That's really
Okay,
cool for
thank
that
you.
ya. You're welcome. And Sis Lola, silakan Sis Lola.
Maybe I want to try hiking
Why?
because I think it's fun.
It's fun for you. And what do you not like about it?
Because it's hard for me to get my parents' permission.
Okay. And if you can do it, where do you want to do it?
Maybe in the mountains of East Java.
Okay. Sebut East Java Mountain that you want to do for this one, yeah? Okay. This is really cool, Sis Lola. When you try to tell us about that things, yeah, for the grammatical structure are great. This I don't find any miss for this one. And for the pronunciation too, that's really clear and easy to catch it ya. That's why well prepared about that. Persiapannya oke banget sih Salah. Gak ada yang miss nih. Alright. So, thank you everyone that you have tried to join this our class today. Give applause to you all guys. That's really active. Hari ini semuanya aktif semua that you dare to answer my question. That's really cool ya. Thank you. Kita ketemu lagi besok teman-teman dengan topik yang berbeda dan jangan lupa besok kita akan membahas tenses yang baru ya. Because tomorrow is our 12 meeting ya. Besok kita akan membahas tentang tenses yang kita gunakan untuk masa lalu. Thank you for coming teman-teman. Thank you for joining. Kita ketemu lagi besok and